The alarm goes off. Your eyes open, but your body doesn't move. A quiet thought slips into your mind. Just 5 more minutes. I'll start properly tomorrow. And right there, without noise, without drama, the silent habit begins again. The habit that doesn't scream. The habit that doesn't feel dangerous. The habit that is slowly killing your discipline every single day.
This story is about you, even if you don't realize it yet. At some point, you were motivated. You had plans. You had goals. You told yourself, this year I'll change my life. I'll wake up early. I'll work on my skills daily. I'll finally become disciplined.
Day 1 felt powerful. Day 2 felt tiring. Day 3 needed excuses. And then it became normal. Normal to delay. Normal to skip. Normal to say tomorrow. And the worst part, you didn't even notice when it happened. The silent habit no one talks about. It's not laziness. It's not lack of motivation. It's not even fear. The real habit is this: breaking small promises you make to yourself, snoozing the alarm, skipping a workout you planned, postponing work you said you'd do today, not taking your own plans seriously. These things look small, harmless, but they are slowly destroying something very important inside you: self-trust. Discipline is built on trust, not motivation. Most people think discipline comes from motivation. That's a lie. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is psychological. Discipline grows when your brain learns one thing: when I say I'll do something, I actually do it. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your mind starts trusting you. But every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, just today I'll skip, one day doesn't matter, your brain learns the opposite. Don't take this person seriously. And when you stop trusting yourself, discipline collapses. Why even hard-working people fail? Many people are not lazy. They dream big, they plan big. The problem is not ambition. The problem is small consistency. They promise 2 hours of deep work, but can't do 20 minutes. They plan daily workouts, but quit after missing one day. Then guilt arrives, shame follows, and soon they give up completely. Another silent habit is born: self-doubt. I'm not consistent. I'm weak. Discipline is not for me. But the truth is simple. You didn't fail because you're incapable. You failed because you stopped honoring small commitments. Your real enemy is not laziness. Your real enemy is comfort. Comfort whispers, rest a little more. You don't feel like it today. One missed day won't matter. Comfort feels safe. Comfort feels sweet. But comfort slowly rots ambition from the inside. Discipline, on the other hand, feels boring, unexciting, repetitive. Yet only discipline builds a future. Comfort feels good now. Discipline feels good later. And life always charges interest. One simple habit that can change everything. If you want your discipline back, start here. Never break a promise to yourself, no matter how small. Not big goals, not massive routines, small promises. You promised 5 minutes? Do 5 minutes. 1 page to read? Read 1 page. 1 push-up? Do 1 push-up. Consistency beats intensity every time. Every small win sends a powerful message to your brain. I am reliable. And when your mind trusts you, discipline grows naturally. Discipline is a muscle. Use it and it gets stronger. Ignore it and it weakens. Every time you wake up when the alarm rings, you train discipline. Every time you choose action over excuses, you train discipline. Life is a voting system. Each day you vote for the person you want to become or for the life you're trying to escape. One vote won't change much, but thousands of daily votes will. The truth no one likes to hear. Your life won't change because of one motivational video, one powerful quote, one emotional speech. Your life changes in quiet moments. Moments when you're tired, you're bored, you don't feel like it, and you still do the work. That's where discipline is born. That's where confidence grows. That's where futures are built. Make one promise today. Not a big one, just this. Whatever I say today, I will do today. Only today. Tomorrow can wait. Focus on winning today. Because the person who controls today eventually controls their entire life. Final reminder. Discipline doesn't die in big failures. It dies when you start lying to yourself quietly. And discipline comes back the moment you decide to trust yourself again. No announcements, no motivation needed, no noise, just action. Every day.